Unlocking English. Navigating non-defining relative clauses with which. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving into the world of non-defining relative clauses. We're going to focus specifically on how we use which in non-defining relative clauses. This is an excellent tool to enhance your written and spoken English, making your communication more nuanced and detailed. Non-defining relative clauses, also known as non-restrictive relative clauses, give us extra information about something. They are not essential to understand the sentence and can be removed without changing the overall meaning. We usually separate these clauses from the rest of the sentence using commas, brackets, or dashes. Example: my dog, which is a Labrador, loves to play fetch. In this case, which is a Labrador, is the non-defining relative clause. It provides additional information about the dog, but it's not necessary to understand the main point, that the dog loves to play fetch. In non-defining relative clauses, which is used to refer to things, not people. It refers back to a noun or a whole clause that has just been mentioned, providing more information about it. Example: I recently read a book, which I found very interesting. Here, which I found very interesting, is the non-defining relative clause, referring back to a book. Which typically comes immediately after the comma that separates the main clause from the non-defining relative clause. Example: my sister bought a new car, which is red and very fast. In this sentence, which immediately follows the comma and introduces the non-defining relative clause, which is red and very fast. Sometimes, which can refer to an entire clause rather than just a single noun. This is especially common in formal writing. Example: she ignored the warning, which turned out to be a mistake. In this case, which refers back to the entire clause. She ignored the warning, and provides additional information, that it was a mistake. Mastering the use of which in non-defining relative clauses can really elevate your English communication skills. It allows you to include extra information in your sentences in a clear and grammatically correct way. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.